Professor Ajatumse, said Deba, now you never chair for a fay, and any and you may ever chair of him so. Professor Aprebi, Ekaho, and you may just share. Yadi Aprebi, our Ghana.
Otumfou setu otoso bienu abebio ema anan mama bagina akwa ye kanu yenka enya mampani abejekre Vice President Dr. Muhammadu Bawumia yenka enya Speaker of Parliament Honorable Right Honorable Abambabin. Yenka enya yewra fo wodi oman suda. Yenka enya yewra Jo Mahama wodi president so eda. Yenka enya yenya no mabia on fi Power Museum, a free University of California, Los Angeles. UCLA omo abaha awie ebedi ekwan entebia mechemu na za adeboy we na ade a shemu ade awie 1874 no nkadma yeye free ebranda yeye symposium our tech yeye book launch symposium na church abakosemu mo bia mo sete ya kono bae asante sanko na bia na kase adan na asante yene roji ko ye pi na emom secretary ban ya kaye ya kai se roni sabero ano nya pai ewura kumase ma yene ma asum ya free Otumfou Osetu Yodi Kai Epenso Obosi Sadi na Akoye Oshiku Masi Debo Otu Omanu Adeja No Kaise Asantamai Yen Sorobi Anso Yemranen Kuma Pembebanu Yesore Esai Akanche Yamu Esai Yomanu Esiho nti sɛ yɛ akai asante abɔfo sɛ resident yɛtumi a yɛwɔ bibiom sɛ yɛbibia toa ɛsɛ waa tumi mbɔ hoɔden na apagya ho na wohwɛ ama bibia nso ɛyɛ yie ɛfiri sɛ nneɛma a ɛbaeɛ no a ɛfa bɛtɛpadeɛ kɔɔeɛ no ne ɛnim sɛ yɛaba no deɛ yɛwiaa ne sa nanso kaka na Otumfou Osetu abebio obaye on the odisi ne odisi ne se roni ede tumi ebefa agapade no ya ono de onfa tumi ode kasa ode kutahudie abafo bese dialogue ode diplomacy ode aka nsome aka yentra se yentra bi yentra abaya anya yi nti Otumfou mfia biori no ma bedi akoden ode ho si o se yakonya agapade a tukoye no akwan bia so Obeba, Ama Asante, Abediba, the Fata, and then Ketua. And then a cash and a man will come from the Nam Saman for say, Otumfou, a Kuma, also a child say, and fear the Nunu, you be home and send training. The man and I was a Otumfou. Before America, to see America say, if you are not man and so be free, Father Museum, one more did Nanaka carry Nasipim. Abba, Otumfou, and you can say, Odarama, what do you need? It's a mama. And then we need all to me be a telephone, but we have a chrome. That's our Otumfou, or they are not there. And then, Casapa, and the other, and then, not a idea. I said, in your idea. I'm saying, no about what decided to me. If I saw Otumfou said, so I'm the children, Odarama. Then from what a young Anobia, a movie. No more said, if you were hard to know, I came for. Yet to me, I accident when I say, yeah, and then not that it will be there, it will become. Mama Papa, about an agency, and kind of said, if I get to your heart, I should share a few more. I feel the main charge. We said, Otumfou baby, over there, overflow, and I'm out to the gap. My friend of Seven Biblia. I feel the medical camp, that then two walls, about an fear of her. I fear a court November 1. Now, we need a trade here, a cancer, a pass and temporary about a copper, no 2 years in an upper. Oh, dear, what they put them there, and a year. Oh, man, and Otumfou, a grandpa, the kind, a buyer, November. Not a buyer, when you fear a buyer, then you fear what a trade, as I said, Asante. Sabi, a couple and then every other and also a better kind, a better home. Now, for say to actually, and then she said, the between 1824 and 1904. That's Professor Kaski, Professor at the University of Birmingham.
To the second, Chief and Queen Mothers. It is with great emotion that I stand here today to present to Your Majesty 7 historical artworks some of which were looted from the palace in 1874, and others that were part of the indemnity that the Asante were forced to pay to the British at the end of the Serenity War. The history of these objects has become evident to us through research that Dr. Erica Jones, here with me today, recently conducted on the collection that the Fowler Museum received from Sir Henry Whelton 60 years ago. Once this information was clear, we knew that these objects needed to come back to Your Majesty and to the Asante people. This journey for us started over 2 years ago, and it would not have been possible without the fundamental contribution of Professor Kwesi Aprebi from Tufts University, who guided us at every step and helped us bring this to your attention so that we could plan the proper way to return these works. I want to also acknowledge my colleague, Dr. Rachel for navigating the complicated shipping logistics at exceptional speed. We're also grateful to Mr. Ivor Ajamanwa for assisting with government diplomacy and quite literally clearing the road for us so that we could bring these pieces safely to Your Majesty on this day. These works are now here and forever returned to the Asante. These pieces have had a long and troubled history, and they are witnesses to tragic moments in the history of the Asante Kingdom. They are also a testament of the long tradition of beauty, artistry, and craftsmanship that have made Asante art famous throughout the world. We are delighted to see them come back to the palace and to the descendants of their rightful owners. As we return these objects today, it is our hope that this will not be the end of the story, but the beginning of a new relationship. Museums love to shine light on beauty. At the Fowler Museum, we will no longer have these wonderful pieces on display. We are honored by your offer to have replicas made for us, so that we will, however, have the opportunity to tell our visitors a better story in our gallery, one that does not glorify the violent history of the past, but foregrounds respect and highlights the contemporary importance and vitality of Asante culture. My colleagues and I are grateful to Your Majesty for allowing us to present this work to you on this 150th commemoration of the Serenity War, and look forward to collaborating with the Palace Museum in the years to come. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. Something great.
Yes, sir.